Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, easy to install a USB printer in Windows 11, 10 without physically connecting. Right-click Setup File, click WinRAR, click Extract to Folder. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click More Devices and Printer Settings. Click Add a printer. Click the printer that I want is not listed. Click Have Disk. Select Extracted Printer Driver folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.